See, test is running. You can observe test is will be running for the 5 minutes. So everyone able to see? Yes, right?
Yes, Kiran.
So now you can observe. So this all users will be ramp up is completed. Ramp up nothing but all users will be gradually increased, and after that it will wait for the 5 minutes. Means they are executing for their scenarios like flight booking and what are the things will be there. Till 5 minutes again and again you will execute for that one. Okay, and you can observe here password transaction will be this, and you are getting some errors. If you click errors, then it is display for the what are the errors you are getting with the script name. Cannot start transaction and web tour flight booking. So transaction names will be mismatched. That is the one error. Error missing new line, nothing but. So this is the some parameterization issue. Okay. So you can find this, right. You can go to the script and you can resolve these things. Again, you can execute this scenario. Okay. Right now, just will execute. Okay. So now you can observe test is going, and just observe transaction response time. If you click on open, so what are the transactions we have? All transaction it is there. So you can observe sign in, web tour, flight booking, and click on pet store also we are added. So all transactions and response time also you are able to see the here average response time, how much time it is happening for the each and every transaction. During the test also you can monitor for this, what is the minimum and what is the average maximum, how much it is coming. And graphical oriented also, if you want to see any scenario, if you click on this, it is highlighted that. If you click this, see it is highlighted this. Okay, so means you can like this you can do for the during the testing. That is the transaction response time. See, this is the running users. Running users nothing but, so you can observe here, this is the ramp up is happen, and all users will be doing for the duration. This is the study status. We can call it as a duration 5 minutes. We can call it as a, this 5 minutes will be execute for the all users. So this is the running users, nothing but number of users. And it's, so it's will be, it is going to hitting like this. What is the, it's nothing but per second as the application, how much it's happening, it is calculated. That is the it per second. You can observe here. Here also we can observe that per second when it is calculated for the hits. And we have the one more thing will be there, throughput. So throughput nothing but it's like some bytes will be received from the server. So that bytes count will be, it is displayed for the here. So during the test you need to monitor this, and as same to you need to monitor for the CPU memory utilization also. So for example, right now we can go to the task manager. Okay, go to the task manager in the performance. So now you are executing CPU, you can observe how much it is showing. 42% or 50 it is showing. Okay, so memory you can come here, 76 it is showing for here. Means during the test you need to monitor for the CPU memory, it is crossing more than 85% or not, you need to observe. It is crossing more than 80%, then number of user point of view, our CPU memory is not sufficient, then we can increase. Now you can observe this is for the 8 GB and this is for the like 4 GB RAM, 4 GB CPU, 4 core. So if you want for the number of user executing, your CPU memory is crossing more than 80%, then we can increase for the CPU utilization, memory utilization. So during the test, you should monitor for these graphs and along with the CPU memory also. See, your test is completed with the 7 minutes 37 seconds. So total will be 1889 transaction will be passed. Now these all things results once test execution is completed. So these all things where we can see means in the one more component analysis. So current results you can open means we can go here only, we can open, go to the results and click on analyze results. Then it is our third component analyzer, it is open and current results will be displayed. See, if the results will be loading, you should wait for the until 100%, then it will be load for the entire results. So it's generating graphs and everything's all metrics will be, it is a generate. So you should wait for the generating for the complete data. You should wait for the until 100%. So once 100% is completed, all we are able to see for here. So do you want to view data now? Yes. Then it is applicable and now all will be generated. See, now it's completed. Now you can observe this is the test duration and total duration, how much duration you are executed, and total number of users, how many, 30 users, and how much throughput is generated, how many hits happen, and same to the, this is the scenario you design. So you are clearly, you can see here, this is the ramp up, how much time it is happening also it is showing. You can observe 1 minute 30 seconds and ramp down including for the test duration 6 minutes 30 seconds. Come here, finally 7-10 minutes test duration happen for this scenario. For this you can observe second script 40 seconds only ramp up happen and the total duration is the 5 minutes 40 seconds. Total will be 6 minutes 20 seconds happen for this scenario. And you can observe here transactions. Total will be passed transaction 1889. Failed transaction will be 20 and stopped will be 20. So this is the important thing, transactions, and we need to concentrate from the average response time. So each and every transaction we are meet our SLA or not, we need to check. So for example, we can observe our SLA will be 2 seconds. So now you can observe login is a 1.4. It is a, we are not meet the SLA. And click on flight also we are not meet the SLA. So means if you not meet the SLA means because of the failed transactions. So you can come here, you can observe here 200 nothing but successfully request and successfully respond. How many it is generated? And 302 means it is a redirect, how many it is happen. And 500 nothing but internal server error, how many happen? 10. So these all results we need to see, and this report we can send to the our team. If it is a results will be good, then you can send for this all things to the team. Ma'am, then if it is your results is not good, you need to find the issue. What is the issue? You can observe. So some transactions will be failed. So because of that also your transaction response time, you are not meeting for the SLA. And this is the summary report. Go to the graph curve oriented running users. So ramp up is happen like this, and this is the duration, and ramp down happen. And it's will be happen like this. It is a like this. It is it's happen. And throughput also it is generated from the like this. And transaction summary is each and every transaction, how many times it is executed, you are able to see here. So and average transaction, nothing but all transactions. If you click here, that graph will be highlighted. Which transaction you want, you can click here. Okay, so like this, we can see the results, and we'll discuss more about tomorrow class for the controller as same to the analysis part also. Okay. So anyone, any doubt regarding this?